Toy Review here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm installing this turbo spoke system onto this bike right here. Okay, so we are gonna show you how to install it, how it works, and how it sounds. So this is the card that does the main thing. This is the tool to put these bolts in. This is the exhaust for looks, and I might or might not add sound, I don't know. And this is the part that goes on your bike right here. Okay, so right now I'm about to put this onto that, and that onto this. I mean this onto that. I wanted to make that funny joke, but anyway. So first we kind of press it on. This is gonna take a second. And a decent amount of force. Do not use a hammer, you might break it. So now the bolts come in. And let's check for the hole. This is the bolt. It's gonna go on this side, even though this is the opposite side from where the hole is. The hole is right where I'm touching right now. Push this in here and get this hand screwed in. Here's the second bolt. Sometimes it might be a little bit hard to fiddle in there. Again, I'm holding on to the bolt so it doesn't slide out. Once that's hand snug in there, you're ready for the next step. We're gonna line up the exhaust muffler, scooter muffler, dirt bike muffler, whatever you want to call it. It's up to you. Like this. It slides into this hole right here. You guys have probably seen already. And this goes in this hole right here. Might be a little bit hard to get right on the first time, but there we go. It's in. And now we're ready to tighten the bolts. Now that I've got this pretty snug on there, as you guys can see, it's not going nowhere. Let's put the card in. So this card, but you put it through this little like slide thing. Put it through here, and it's actually on the wrong side. This needs to line up with the hole, and the hole's on this side. I just messed up there, but yeah. So let's get her slid in there. I can't say slide at all anymore. It's rough, okay? Well, we've got that in. I'm gonna check through here, see if the hole's aligned. The hole's aligned. Now let's get the muffler back in. Now this has been test fitted, so we know it works. And now we put this in here, which might take a good minute because it's kind of hard to line up the muffler and the card at the same time. It's hard enough lining up one thing, as you guys can see. Okay, so I got that in after a bunch of tedious work, and there it goes. It's now locked in and ready to listen. Are you sure you're ready? Let's get into this. Okay, so helmet safety real quick. I'm just overdoing this, so make sure your helmet's on there and tight. Number 2, check your brakes. See if they work. Check your tire pressure. In my case, they're rock solid in the front and in the back.
Chain.
And make sure.
Chain.
And then the chain, make sure that's tight, but not too tight. So like right how it is now. Now that I've covered helmet safety, I'm gonna go for a rip. Okay, now you're ready to ride after you've checked all that safety, after you put your turbo spoke on. Now your bike can sound like this. Okay, so now that you've seen the turbo spoke, drop a like if it sounds good. And remember to comment, subscribe, and post notifications. And remember, peace out, and this has been Ad's Toy Review.